In this video, I will help you to change the default iCloud mail while we compose a new mail on the iPhone Mail app. First, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to Apps. Now, search for and find Mail Settings. Again, scroll to Last and tap on Default Account and select Gmail here. Force close Mail apps and relaunch if it's open in the background. Now launch Mail app. When we compose a new email on the iPhone Mail app from the Mailboxes screen, we use a pencil with a paper icon. As you can see, the default email address is a Gmail account. But if you're composing from one of these accounts, then the address will be set according to the mailbox from which you're composing a new email like this. So, ensure that you use the default account, go back to the Mailboxes screen, and compose a new email. If you found something helpful and fixed it, don't miss to share it with everyone. Thumbs up for support and comment below for any questions.